Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can customize your iOS or iPhone home screen by adding the widget on your home screen to make your work easier. So you already have my home screen playing on the applications here, so let's just add the widget on it to help our activity. You just need to tap into the blank options here, tap and hold, and now the application will start to be shaking. Now take a look on this top side, that will be like a plus button there. Just go tap it and that will give you into the widget option. Now you just need to find the widget that you want to use. You can just use everything. If you want to do it smart stack, you just need to do that. And if you need the calendar just to make you know what date is the day, you just need to tap it, and you can also pick the style of the widget that you want to have. They'll be like this style, this longer style, or the bigger style, or only this simple, super simple style. Or you can also got this type of dates or calendar looks. Right after you got them, just go tap add widget and that will be added into your screen. You can also add another one such as the UV informations. Just need to tap or scroll all the way down until you got the weather. Just tap it and then you can just get this forecast and then go click add widget and you already got the forecast or weather information. Now you can also customize the position by just go click, hold it, and then drag it into this specific area that you want to have. Now you just need to tap into the blank area, then you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.